Hello guys, welcome to Python Basic Tutorial Series Day 3 class. It's me Ashwath M Shetty taking you people this session to understand the basic concepts of Python. So today let us discuss about the data types in Python. Every value belongs to a specific data type in the Python. Data type identifies the value that can be stored in the variable and perform some operations on it. We can classify the data types in Python as numbers, sequences, sets, none and mapping. So let us demonstrate all those things one by one now. In numbers there are integer type, floating type, complex type and one more special thing, Boolean type. So first one, integer type, we will discuss now. Create num1, give some integer value. So to check the variable type or data type of the any variable, we use function called type function and pass the variable name here, num1. So class int, that means num1 variable is integer type. So if you want to print the value of num1, type num1 and enter. So value will be integer value, now 10. So same way, create another number num2. I will pass some float value, display the value and check the type of the num2. Class float type. Same way, num3, complex value, check for complex value. Complex number, we know that real number and imaginary value. So that 10 plus 5.2 j. So j for imaginary. So now print num3. So it is a complex value. Check the type of the num3, type and num3. So class complex. So next we are going to check with Boolean type. So Boolean type have the two constants values. One is true and another one is false. So true value will be non-zero values, non-null values. False values will be zero value. So let us try with true now. Num4 true and print num4, type of num4. It should come Boolean. Now I want to check the value of the true now. For that what we can do? Int true. So value of true is 1. Same way, create another number num5 false. Check num5 false, it's coming, and check the type of num5. So it is class type of bool. So now I want to check the value of false. So int false. So its value is 0. The true value is non-zero value and false value is 0. Now in this all the numerical types, data types, we can store only single values in our program. Whereas we want to store more than single values or a sequence of values we want to store in our program to achieve our some sort of goals. In that case, we need some different type of data type that are sequences. Sequences are ordered values where we can store some ordered values and that can be referenced throughout the program. In the sequences, we have string, we have list and we have tuple. So let us demonstrate one by one now. So we'll start with string now. So string is a combination of alphabets or characters. It is enclosed within the single code or else double quote. So str1 is equal to hello. So check the type of the str1 now. So it is a string type. You can print that str1 hello. And same way str2 I will give with double quotation word. So it's printing. So whatever you give within the double quote or the single quote, the interpreter treated as a string only. For example, check with str3 is equal to, I will give 1 2 3. The 1 2 3 is, you might have feel as numbers, but we are enclosed within the double quotation. That's why interpreter will be treated as string only. Let us check the type of str3 now. So class type of string only. Value is integer numbers, but it is a type or data type of string only. Are you getting my point? Now let us go to the next data type sequence, that is list. So we know that a list is a consisting of ordered elements separated by the comma. It may contain date, any type of values in integers, floating point, string, anything else. Let's start with list 1 and list should be start with square bracket 1 5.7 and then 10. Now print list 1. Elements of list 1 is printed now. If you want to check the data type of list 1, use the type function. The class is list. Now we'll go to the next sequence, that is tuple. So I just declare t1. Tuple will be having the same as list, but whereas it is enclosed with parentheses 10, 20 and 5.8 and any string. Okay, close it. Now print t1. So it's showing the values and check the type of t1. So tuple. So these three are the sequences in the Python. So I will go to the next data type called set. So set is a unordered list of data elements, any type of values you can hold. So set1. So set will be started with curly braces and you can give any value 40, 2, 1 and string and 2 I will give inside. So one more thing, set will not display the duplicate value present in it. I am providing the duplicate value here 2 and 2 2 times. So let us check it now. Check out there. 41, 2 and Ashwath. Only it's printing the single values. So 2 is we have given 2 times, but it is printing only 1 time. So set will not display the duplicate values. We'll check the type of the set now. Type and set 1. So its type is set. Okay guys, now we'll see another one special data type called none. None is a special data type where programmer can specify the absence of the value. None data type will not perform any special operation on that particular variable. It neither false or nor null value or zero value. Let us see how we can work on that. For example, my var none. So print my var. So there is no value. You can check out there. Okay, it's not printing anything. And now check the type of my var. It is a none type. Well guys, let's move to the next data type, that is mapping. Mapping is an unordered data type in Python. Currently there is only one standard mapping, that is dictionary. Guys, dictionary in Python holds data items in key and value pairs. Items in a dictionary are enclosed in curly brackets, and dictionary permits faster access to the data. For example, if you want to access the books in the library, there will be some ISBN number has a key value. Same way, if you want to access the data or value faster in the program, we need to have some indexes or key value, so that that dictionary will help us to make this work easier. So guys, let us see how we can define the dictionary. So dict1, it should be open with flower bracket, curly bracket, and our key value usually will be a string. Let's give a string value fruit, and we should use the colon to give the value for that. I'm giving fruit apple and separated by comma, and next key is climate and colon. Climate I am giving cold and separated by comma, and next key is price of kg, and for that value 120. Then close the dictionary, and now display the dictionary dict1. So elements in the dictionary is displayed now. If you want to access any particular element in the dictionary, we can use by its value or by its key. Let's check it now. Print dict1 of, I am taking now price, okay, price of kg, and close it. So I made somewhere mistake in the print statement. Let's check one more time. Dict1, and so here we have to give in not curly bracket, in the normal square bracket, okay, price of kg, and it's processed as a list. Okay, its price is 120. Okay, like this we can index the value, and by using the key value, and we can access the data effectively and efficiently in our program. Guys, today we have discussed all the data types in the Python. So we have come to the end of the class now. If you have any question or doubt, you can leave a comment, and for the study materials, I am putting the link in the description. You can download it and you can go through it. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, like and share to your friends.